Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today, I believe we are up to multi. And we'll throw it up to Monsoon this time, because we might as well. We're only going to try beat the game anyway, so it makes sense. I forgot he doesn't drop in a pod. Yeah, this was my first favourite character. Pretty fun little boy. He's pretty basic. He has his regular fire here, which is just a Gatling gun, which apparently shoots out a big blast at the end now. And he has his sniper, which you don't charge anymore. You used to have to hold this down. Looks like it just charges it for you. It's good early on, because obviously you can get quick easy kills like that. We obviously want the sticky bomb for damage. And his other ability is actually a stun grenade, which is incredibly useful and really good at wave clearing. Very, very simple character. You can also run people over with this, which is fun. I'm not used to not charging this, it's so weird. The reticle's going up, so maybe possibly the blast is stronger if you hold it down long enough. See here in a second. Oh, did that make him explode? I don't know. Seems to be pretty strong. But that's good. This guy definitely needed some more complexity to it. So while you're zooming like that, you also get a defense buff. Try to ram him. Oh, it almost killed him. Oh, does it launch you as well? That's cool. Should be fine if I do that. Somewhat. Not the best item, but we'll take it. Gotta remember to use that bomb a bit more. I can't remember if things had headshot multipliers on this character. Chest. Ah, finally a medkit. It used to be terrible, but now it's insanely strong. Crowbar's kind of shit on this, but that's alright. We'll take it. Kill him for money, kill him for money. Seems to have a lot more auto aim on it now too, which is alright I guess. Tri-tip, that's what you love to see. You saw the video, you know I love tri-tips. I believe the portal is down here. We've pretty much got everything we need to succeed. A bit slow on the timer definitely, but that's alright. We'll make do. As you can imagine, the bleed on this character stacks up really fast. Another chest for us while we head down. Ah, there we go. I love the wax quail. While you're sprinting, if you jump, launches you forward. Hopefully he doesn't get off this thing. Yeah, we should just be able to slaughter him. Yeah, so easy. Yeah, with bleed, this guy is just so strong. Because it builds it up super fast. I'm not sure what the practical use of the shotgun is yet, like the ending of this attack. I'll try to see if it's a lot of damage or something. Oh yeah, it did a decent amount. I don't know if it's worth stopping though. Maybe it's worth it on bosses, but I would think building up your, like increasing your chance of on-hit items would be way more. This was definitely my favourite character. I love zooming about the stage. Yeah, so you see there it had red writing. I'm pretty sure it does still have a crit modifier, so if you shoot him in the face it does a lot more. But again, I could be talking out my ass there. Green chest, that's a good start. Multi-shrine, always good. Ooh, attack speed. That's probably still really strong. Wow, that does seem to be really hard hitting. Like for weaker enemies like that. So I guess I could see the use of it. Grab us a stim pack. I say stim pack, it's not, it's a soldier syringe, but it looks like a stim pack from Fallout if you've played it. Any of the games. Oh jeez, chest heaven over here. Good, Hoopoe Feather's really good for this. Short on money. Hopefully there's some over here. Yeah. Right, zoom back this way. Put this on because I think there's enemies coming now. There is. This asshole again. I've had them ruin way too many runs. It's probably just because I like to get way too close to enemies, but I found that's the way you should deal with most enemies. Just get really close to them. We wasted a lot of time on those 3 chests, but that's alright. The reason I'm jumping every time I shoot is because it cancels your sprint. You want to keep your momentum from moving forward. Many more items. Front of the mountain. Can probably take that on. Oops, I thought I had the other gun. Alright, I think the portal was over where it was last time. Maybe. I do kind of want this item though. This one here. That thing is actually amazing. So that essentially means we can speedrun most of the game now. Because it does a really high amount of damage if you hit it. Oh, I forgot I get 2 items as this. Our green chest from earlier. Hopefully I can get up. I'd imagine the use behind the auto reload thing is so that people can combo it from like this to that and then do it again. But I think it was better how it was. Where is the portal? I actually don't know. Does that show portal? It does not. Apparently there's items behind there. Weird. This isn't good because you kind of want to be at the portal at this point on Monsoon. Where is it? Oh my god, is it in there? Really? I think it's in here. Yeah, god damn it. Wandering? No, Titan again. It's fine with me. Yeah, watch this bleed stack up. And this is with only one. It's so crazy. Just melt him. Carjos, I don't know if we can proc it. Because that would be our... Oh, actually ramming things would be our highest, I believe. Definitely want to kill these wisps. They do a lot of damage and they almost never miss. Oh, of course, this can proc our abilities. Yeah, that works. I heard you, where are you? I heard one of the big... Where is it? I can hear it, but I can't see him. One of the things that killed us, both episodes actually, but I can't see it at all. Yeah, you kind of want to be here by 10 minutes, so I don't know how well it will go, but I will try. We don't have enough. What's in there? Stim pack, that's good. Bleed up this guy. Yeah. Grab our stim pack and go. I don't think there's much else around this area. Some more money. Is that a crowbar? I think it's a crowbar. Yeah, it's a crowbar. That's fine. Kind of don't want to deal with those guys up close anyway, because they'll just tear you up. As I say that, I'm swapping weapons there to proc my second weapon. Crit is really strong, so I'll get crit. Nothing down there. More crit, it's good. We don't have enough money to get that. I'm happy with both our items. Maybe you're just stuck using the sniper with this character now, except on bosses, because it procs all the really strong effects, which we couldn't really make use of on the other characters so far. That, and I probably have the most hours with this character, that might help. Although I haven't played him in a while. Teddy bear, you always love to see that. What was that sound? It was like a dog biting sound just then. Yeah, look at that damage. Yeah, even on bosses, I don't know, because it seems to do so much damage if you just proc it whenever you want. And we should definitely go to the boss right now, because we are so far behind on time. Yeah, I'll go boss right now. Hit him with this, or attempt to. Chill over here a bit. I think once again we're just really short on healing items, which you really hate to see. I really needed to stun him just then. I think I'm dead, because I just can't do anything with this Gatling guy here. Right, that one kill him. feeling that one purple thing will kill me. Yep, insane bleed damage carried us through that. Good god, my runs always just seem to have no defense times. Like, I should be really dead by now. Like, I don't even know what's keeping us alive at this point. One med pack. Yeah, we literally have one med pack, nothing else. So we need to take damage to heal. That's so crazy. I've never seen this map. I didn't even know this was a thing. I'd imagine this is where you get something special from, but I'd have no idea where to get it. What is this? What? Oh! That's a bouncy. Okay. Go down here to get this money real quick. What? Oh my god, it spawned up there. Are you kidding me? Oh no, Lemurian, please. Hopefully it doesn't laser me. Oh, you asshole. Go back up to it, charge this. I need to stun these things because they'll kill me as well. Build up that bleed. Probably shouldn't launch myself off cliffs here. I haven't done the map before. That was a ledge. Is that a vagrant? Why is there a vagrant? Ow, what is hitting me so much? Alright, cool, we killed it before it could do that. What is this? I don't know what any of this does. I'd imagine that leads somewhere. Yeah, it looks like there's a bouncy pod there. But then we can live. Oh my god, we might have just killed it. I don't know how we're going to live now because I can't get this health back. Like I physically can't. Yeah. I'm guessing there's something special with that map. Alright. Second time. Let's go again. I can't believe how unlucky I'm getting with the defensive items. Really? What a great start. Had tons of damage, but we didn't really have anything else going for us. Yeah, I don't know if I like the having to wait for it to charge. changed, but I guess they had to change something. And if it got enough complaints that people couldn't use it properly, I guess that works. Because these little enemies, you'd play it like how you would play Widowmaker if you were to headshot someone with full charge and then go for a light shot to finish them. That's the same kind of deal you would do with these guys, because they usually survive one like that. Until you get a crowbar. I think I saw an item down in the cave there. We have so much money at the moment. Just need to find items. Can't tell if it does more if you let it charge up yet. Like let the recoil get to max. Is it a gold chest? Nice. Oh cool, we got the ice band early, that's good. We can proc that with our secondary fire. Teddy bear, finally. Yeah, definitely teddy bear. It's not healing, but it'll do. Now this is why the ice band is good, because we can essentially do big chunks of damage whenever we want. Like that. Saw another multi-chest up there. Grab this and then we'll start the portal. See? It's so annoying not being able to just let it go straight away. Even if it's weak. I don't know why they changed that. Another bronze topaz, that'll be good for us. Because we were killing a lot, we just weren't healing or stopping any of it. I was trying to stun things, but that obviously doesn't work on things that can't be stunned. Be able to melt him again. Shooting him, and ice. Oh my god, kill it already. Oh, does it guarantee to apply your on-hit effects? I think I'm gonna die. Because I can't hit them all enough. Is that another ice band? Jesus. Well, if we want something to die, it's gonna die. Ow. Kind of just relying on shields now to keep us alive. Not a bad first stage. Again, we didn't get any healing really, which kind of sucks. That's alright. We did get 2 topazes and 2 ice bands. Ice bands are going to be really strong for us. 2 green chests off the bat, really? Oh, Jesus. I don't think we can afford them still. No. We need some enemies. Come on. And we still need a crowbar to kill these in one hit. That's annoying. I still don't have enough. Jesus. Oh, I missed. Good, I can at least one-shot them. That's very good. Fire tornado, perfect. That was putting in work for us last run. Still don't have enough money for either of the green chests. Need one more. Yep. Oh my god, let me fire. Hopefully there's a mod that reverts it back to how it was, because it's so annoying not being able to shoot. Circus pauldrons, they're really strong on this guy, so that's good. Our portal's over there. We're not getting enough enemies to actually utilize the chests that we're getting. Oh, it has a little ice effect on your hands when it's ready. That's cool. I can definitely use that information. See, this little ice effect. I heard something. There it is. God, we need money so bad. See if I wait for the ice, I should be able to one-shot it. Yeah. Bonk. We really need to go to the portal soon, because now that we have the money, there aren't any enough chests for us to use. Ow. Ah, really? Bonk. Cool, some damage chests. I think we still need, as usual, we just need medkits. Oh my god. There's too many enemies. Okay, we need this crowbar because we still haven't been able to one-shot things. Like that. That's much better. Fatal Queen, cool. Should be able to slaughter her. Yep, and we did. Get out of all that ice. Kill this. Kill these. Stun him. Kill this, kill this. We should get our ice back now. Alright. Oh my god, why are you? Just wait till our ice thing. Oh, it hit the tree branch. Good thing it didn't take it away from us. I can hear something around me. Where is it? Did it spawn above me? Don't waste our ice shot on any of these because I swear I heard a contraption. Oh, you bastard. It didn't even start glowing yet. Again, I found these items kill you more than it helps half the time. Like 75% of the time. Some of them can be really strong if you're later into your run. But for now, they're all kind of shit. And as usual, we don't have... not having enough enemies spawn for us. Hopefully there's something here to help us. Ow. That should kill him. Or not. That is a real issue, that we're not one-shotting them anymore. I believe it means we haven't been getting enough damage items, which really sucks. We haven't gotten health or damage items. Haven't really gotten anything, to be honest. Zerka pauldrons are cool, ice is cool, but we haven't gotten anything to really maximize it. That was definitely overkill. That's okay, I guess. I can work with that. Not really. Go check up here. Utility, that's alright for us. I kind of need these enemies to go away because I need to just loot things at the moment. Wait, did a blue orb appear again? Oh no. Another barrier, that's good. Kind of hoping for a med kit there. You can beat this game without needing certain things. It'll just take a really long time. Could have gotten into another run by that point. Same kind of mindset as League for this, I guess. Rather have quick games than long ones where you don't get anywhere. Death mark, I don't think we can ever apply that, which sucks. Unless we get like a elite duplicate legendary. And I think that's everything. Except this medkit, huge. Once I get the money. Which quite a ways off actually. Come on, one enemy spawn. There we go. This is a terrible shrine. It's used for memes. Pretty much combines all of your items right now into one or two, but a lot of them. I want to kill you. Right, we definitely need to go. We're 2 minutes behind. Fuck all to show for it. Oh boy, hello there. So this one kind of sucks. A lot. I've always had issues with him anyway. Kind of okay because critical strikes always bleed enemies. Bleeding enemies now explode. Does that mean any bleed counts as a bleeding effect? Because he's bleeding? It does, that's cool. So that seems pretty huge actually. If we spread bleed really easy. We're also dying again because I haven't gotten any healing stuff. Except the medkit. Don't think, yeah, we don't have anything to give us any crit chance. That was kind of useless in that regard. Like the crit half of it. But that is okay. You bastard. Stay still. It does kind of feel like they made this character into either you get ridiculous luck and you just minigun everything, or you run away forever and then one-shot something. I don't really like that, because it was kind of just a run and gun character, but now he can't do that. Because you have to wait for this to recharge, and we'll probably get a magma worm here. Oh, I hate these enemies so much. Very cool. There's nothing we can really do about him. Damn it, I keep going to try and charge, but I can't. Yeet. Bugger off. Should be able to come around and one-shot him. Almost. Just gonna be safe and do that. Should die to this. Oh, he almost hit me. That would have been bad. Shot this one. Alright, we can go spend some money. Wait for our ice charge and hurt this. Eventually. No reason for us to kill them. You Utility, cool, hopefully it's movement speed. That's what we're hoping for. It is better than movement speed, it's defense. Another one of these assholes. We just have to run. Crit goggles, that's awesome. I don't like that I'm on fire. I can hit one. Cool, they should die. Get this just to... I don't even have money, even though I just killed a bunch. Save. Alright. Oh, we can't go up there. We really don't have a lot. Infusion could be huge. Predatory swiftness is good. Might as well get the book since we're not really getting enemy spawns like we should be. So we have no money. Is this one? It is that one. Slug, that's Pog, because we don't have anything to heal as usual. Another big chest. I think I should just go the boss now because there's nothing I can buy. Again, due to no enemies being spawned. Wait for our charge on our weapon, and then we'll call the boss. Should come now. Yep. Yeah, I expected that. Oh my god, there's so many contraptions too. I'm just gonna kill that one. Oh my god, there's so many. Hopefully I get my thing soon. Damage. We have not gotten our thing yet. I have to look back on the recording, but I wish there was a little charge meter for that, for our ice thing. Like apart from the blue arm. Next to me, yep. I'm relying on the ice thing to just proc stuff on the worm. Like the tornado to just proc extra stuff for me. Alright, cool. Got rid of the worm. Deal with these contraptions. Actually, we can just leave. Although I might check on the legendary chest. I don't think I have enough. Yeah, I don't believe I have enough money. But we might as well check while we have all this money. Should be right in here. No. This one? Yeah. We do not have enough. That is a feels bad. Maybe I can get enough from these. Because as I said, this fourth stage is generally where you want to farm. And skip the next one. Where are they? They're over here. Oh my god, so many. There's the money we needed. Hopefully we get something huge like a Tesla coil or a meat hook again. That is possibly the worst legendary to get because cheat death doesn't help you. You'll respawn and die again. So that feels bad. It definitely wasn't worth the 5 minutes extra of farming we had to do for it. Now onto the terrible stage again. Once again, I think we're just gonna go. It's terrible, that's terrible. Ukulele isn't bad. I have the wrong gun on. I'm gonna try not to aggro too much stuff. We don't exactly have a lot to keep us alive, as usual. God, they're just so tanky. There we go. Ow, the worm's up here. I don't think we have enough. We don't. Check the teleporter's right here. I should wait for the thing, but I really want to get out of here. That is okay, I think. Because they're pretty big and easy to hit. Wait for our proc and then we'll hit the middle here. We're just gonna die from above. I can already tell we're just gonna randomly die. Yeah, look at this. There's nothing we can do. It spawned in front of me. Well, that'll have to do for this episode. I believe it's like 50 minutes. As you can see, the legendary we got didn't really help us in the slightest. You don't do much more after you've died. You'll just die. Once again, no healing. Pretty much no defensive. But that is how the game goes. And I will see you guys when we're playing the engineer in the next one. Yo yo.